Hey guys, how's it going? So, just got up here. It's Monday morning. It's probably like 10 o'clock. I just drove up from Niagara region, which is about 3.5 to 4 hour drive. And today is hopefully my last week here.
What I'm using to attach my post. These are Fasten Master through locks. They replace a 3/8 carriage bolt, and you got to use 3 of them per post for the most part. You also have to follow the guidelines that they give you for each scenario of post that you have. After you lay it out, you don't have to pre-drill or anything like that. You literally just take this nut off here and you screw it in. It's just basically just a long structural screw with a wing nut.
So on the railing system here, it's made by a company called Decorators. It's a 32-inch black powder-coated aluminum baluster with 2x4s for top and bottom rail, and then what I did on top is just a deck board, 5/4 by 6 deck board. Cut the length with chamfers on each corner.
So my GoPro died while I was building the railing, but this is the finished product. Stairs still need to be finished. And I can't finish this section here because I need to finish the set of stairs that are coming down here. They have end posts that connect to that railing and that railing.
So what I do to calculate the tread and riser height, tread being where your foot would land, riser being the height of the step, I use the DeWalt app. Inside the DeWalt app, you can do anything from a calculator to stairs to volume to conversions, etc. Everything is in there. Basically, you need two things to enter into this app and it should calculate everything else for you. One major thing is your overall height. So what I do is I run a level off of the top deck, is level out, straight as far out as you can go. So over here you can see a little bit better. The bottom of the level is touching the top of that deck. So I measure over level from the bottom of the level down to this deck. And I believe that was 44 1/4. And then what I do is I also find the distance. So I measure off of this rim board right there over to this deck. And I think that was 77 inches. So I put those two things into the app and it literally calculates your tread and your riser height. Now from there you can actually fudge the numbers a little bit. I specifically like using an 11-inch tread because that works out to be 2 deck boards. Okay, so this is my 2-foot square. And you buy these brass nuts separately and you set them to whatever your tread and riser height are. So my riser is 5 9/16, so from this corner up 5 9/16. My tread 11 inches, and then you take this and you line it up with the top of your 2x12 and you mark out here, down here, and then down the bottom here. Sorry, one-handed, can't do it, but hopefully that explains how to make your stringers. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.